a leading petrochemical company, faced furnace efficiency losses. Severe fouling in the convection section reduced heat transfer, increasing fuel consumption by 8% and CO2 emissions by thousands of tons annually. Stack temperatures exceeded safe limits, rising above 273 degrees Celsius, putting additional strain on the equipment. Manual cleaning could only access the top and bottom rows and didn't bring the heater back to design parameters. IGS deployed Tube Tech's autonomous robotic cleaning system. Using a no-man entry, high-precision cleaning method, Tube Tech achieved an industry-leading 90 to 95% cleanliness rate. This restoration resulted in a 10% improvement in heater efficiency, a 30 degrees Celsius reduction in stack temperature, a 7% decrease in fuel consumption, and lower CO2 emissions, aligning with sustainability goals. Autonomous, efficient, safe. Contact IGS to optimize your fired heater performance.